What's going on, people at Switcher? It's Phil here, the podcast doctor. And I want you to see, I have it on auto right now, but I want you to be able to see the difference between a DSLR camera hooked up with Seemo versus a iPhone 14 camera, 14 Pro. So can you tell the difference between the Seemo camera, which is a Sony A64, or can you see it with a iPhone 14? So can you tell the difference? If you can't tell the difference, then does it really matter? If you can tell the difference, then of course it matters to you. But can you tell me which one is the iPhone and which one is the Sony A6400? Now I'm here by myself in my studio, so I'm going to put them side by side. But just give me a second. But yeah, I'm looking at myself in my TV. So both camera shots look great in my opinion. One has higher quality. One I'm actually not even using a great lens. It's one of the kit lenses that came with it. It's like a 50 to 212. I have to look at the Sony lens, but it's a not very expensive lens. So even if I did buy a more expensive lens, the look will get even better. So I want you guys to see what it looks like between the Seemo versus the iPhone 14 Pro. The camera that I'm using, it's an outdated Sony A6400. So, I mean, you can buy these for less than you can with a brand new iPhone. My iPhone 14 Pro was, I think, $1,000 when I got it. So, the 6400 is a lot cheaper. So let's see the side by side. So give me a second. Let me get up and then I'll change the camera angle. All right. So I am here with both cameras. The iPhone 14 Pro and the Sony A6400 with the Seemo adapter. And I'm plugging it in through the micro HDMI into the Seemo adapter into one of my old iPhone 8s, I think, or iPhone SEs. I don't remember what it is, but can you tell a difference? If you can't tell a difference, then cool. If you can, then cool. So let me know what you think. Both cameras, the iPhone 14 Pro, I think it was $1,000 when I got it. And the A6400, I mean, you could probably find them used for anywhere between $600 to $800. And you can get a really nice lens for less than $200, $250. And you can have some really, really good video. So tell me what you think of this. What looks better. I haven't changed any settings on the Sony. So that's the Sony. This is the Sony. There it is. That's the iPhone 14 Pro. Okay. So let me actually sit back. I know my last guest that was in here was a little shorter than me. So here's me sitting back at the chair. So, it's a little less in focus. The light is kind of a little bit too bright, but obviously that would change with the lens and positioning. But if I did this, obviously it looks, I think you can tell it started to look a lot better. So let me know what you guys think. Thanks, Switcher. And I love the new integration for the Seemo adapter. Trust me, I'm going to get some more. We're going to put these tests to the test, and we're going to have so much fun. So stick around. Signing off. This is Phil, the podcast doctor. See you later.